did a blog about getting up early in the morning, the best reasons to do that. And here we are, 6:30, which is maybe not that early for some. And this is one of the reasons. I just saw the light on the hills above GlenMyu Estate. And it's just beautiful, delicate, the shadows are great, the light isn't harsh, colours are beautiful, and this video won't actually give the true colours. You actually have to be here and see, but hopefully it will give you a bit of an idea of what it is like here up in the hill country at GlenMyu Estate early in the morning. And we can't promise you a morning like this, but if you get a morning like this or something similar, it's definitely worth getting up early for. And then if you want to really, you can go back and relax, go back to your bed and enjoy the fabulous breakfast a little bit later on that Ruanti will concoct for you. I'll just bring you a little bit closer, just move the tripod, and you can see a little bit closer down the valley. This is just about the area where we have our bench, where you can just sit and view. See what thoughts that the view inspires.